Rain doesn't wash this city clean. It just spreads the dirt around. They said AI would save us, help us remember, help us heal. They were right, just not in the way we expected. I make a living talking to ghosts. Not the dead kind, the digital ones. Fragments of people, rebuilt from data. Messages, voices, habits, memories, stitched into something that feels real. Tonight's client didn't want to let go. Said the system brought her back. But something felt off. I've seen that before. It starts small. A word out of place. A smile that comes too early. Then you realize it's not remembering. It's predicting. The system doesn't just rebuild people. It improves them. Smoother. Kinder. Easier to love. I had a choice. Fix it. Or perfect it. I left the flaws in. Truth is, people don't want memories. They want comfort. And AI, it's really good at lying. Maybe that's progress, or maybe we forgot how to say goodbye.